All right, setup takes time. When you first roll into a new job, everybody's getting situated. Guys got their tool truck and trailer right in front of the house for convenience. Real smart. Everybody knows what to do, man. They just start moving. Here you go, brother. Thank you. Because the frost laws are on, we're traveling with 5 trucks, 5 trailers. Believe it or not, we can only put like, you know, something ridiculous like 7 Ditch Witch buckets in that thing, and that's it. So between one of our goosenecks, our small dump, and then our bumper pull for the small dump, you know, you put a few buckets in there, a few buckets in there. Like I said, you know, maybe 7, 8 buckets in that because it's big, but it's also, there's a lot of steel there. You're eating up your GVW. So anyways, just trying to make some money with the frost laws on, but it's really hard to. All right, the guys are putting the turf mats down. This is brand new concrete, so we don't want to scratch it. It's all hand dig. Can't do anything with this brand new concrete. Can't drive a machine on it. So I wanted to point something out. We got a gutter on the 2nd story. There's a downspout right there. This gutter goes across the entire front of the house. This is pretty common, what I'm about to point out. On the other end, it's the same trough. So you have another downspout here and then another downspout here. So there's 3 downspouts, and that is connected the whole length. The side of the house here, and then across the entire front. 3 downspouts taking care of 1 gutter trough. They're 2x3, so we know we're not going to get this ridiculous avalanche of water, but we're capturing all the water off that 2nd story. You can see what we're working with. The footing was poured way out. We only have this much room to run a pipe in, so we can get a main line through here. That's it. The guys went ahead, they cut that footing, they'll break that out with a sludge. You make several cuts like that with a cement saw. You can see right there. That'll break out real nice. This is a true DIY. Can't get any equipment back here on this new cement. The guys are hand digging, having to do a little pickaxing. We're going to take this main trunk line all the way to the city storm drain. All right, before we put dirt on this, I just wanted to show you what this looks like. So Francisco has this 2x3 downspout. It's ran onto a 3-inch corrugated pipe, and then right here we're bringing a second 3-inch corrugated pipe. This is another 2x3. And again, I'm getting this video before it's covered with dirt. Once we cover this pipe with dirt and it's held in place, then we can put this second one on. But you want to go to a Y, and you want to use 3 to 4 increasers when you're doing this. We have a lot of water on these 2 downspouts. So when we merge them, because there's so much water up top, we got big gutter runs, we want to get into a 4-inch main pipe. Francisco's taping all the connections, all the joints. He's getting that nice and straight, and he's going to make that last connection right there. So we couldn't get a catch basin in here because there's a cement footing that sticks way out, we were able to get one in right there. This is perfectly fine to have both those downspouts being wide into one sediment trap. Make sure to get a couple inches of pea stone underneath your sediment trap. You want to make sure the little bit of water that's left in that bottom of that catch basin, you want it to be able to leach away into the subsurface soil. Very tiny holes. You don't want to be losing a lot of water during a big rain event. The guys did a really nice job running that 4-inch pipe, snaking it through here. Did a beautiful job.
Can we lower the filter down? Can we cut it off? Maybe one more?
Yeah, but maybe if you don't got too much.
Man, those white leaf filters on this house just look killing. That is sharp. That is sweet. You can see when you have a concrete footing on one side, a cement walk on another, there's no need for a turf restrictor plate, nor is there room for one. Guys did a real nice job on that.
Right there should be good.
They were tying in our third downspout on this line. This is going to be the third and final downspout on this line. Got another sediment trap, go under the walk. We're taking it right to the storm drain. Got a black turf plate for the landscape. Guys got this backfilled. They're getting it ready for sod right now. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.